Yamaha, what were y'all thinking? I'm taking it easy. And then Demo's like a T-Rex tearing apart your home. What the fuck? I love it, but that's dumb. That's D mode. Give me a second top.
Traction 2.
I don't want to. Oh, okay.
That's like minimum.
Okay. Power?
Power's on 4.
Give me 2.
You have no lift on, so you can wheelie it. Yeah.
I got oil on the tires because the Boost over there blew a brake line, flew into her. She's got brake fluid, so I'm gonna go break her tires in and get this oil off. But bless. Come on, Slowpoke. I have my armored back protector and my armored hoodie, but I don't have my leathers on, so like can't really go crazy.
Take it easy.
I'm taking it easy.
600.
Huh?
It's not a 600.
I know what it is. 10 minutes.
Yeah, right. I give it 30 minutes. Y'all for time?
10 minutes. There and back. Oh, this feels so weird. Way too weird. Oh my gosh. I gotta break the tires in. Good. So I gotta like, and you do too. We're just chilling. Like 50%, 40%. It's not my bike. Okay. Oh my gosh. It like doesn't want to go under 30 miles an hour. Like that's me, like literally. You see, I'm trying to get the crest. It's literally 30 miles an hour. You have to go faster just to like stay on the gas. That's insane. Wow. I'm in heaven though. This feels so good. Oh gosh. I barely hit the gas and the wheel was off the ground. Holy sh! Oh my gosh! Jesus! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! This is, I can't buy one. I can't buy one. No. No. It's my dream bike. I give it that. I can't buy one. I'm not ready for this. It's not like my skill level. It's what I would do on this. I can't ride this. I can't even go through a city. Like, what the heck? Look, I'm literally trying to stay just right on the gas a little bit. This thing's insane. Hello? Why are you mad? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're just vibing. We're just vibing. It's all right. I'm sorry if you're having a bad day, hon. Oh my gosh. No, what the heck? Oh my gosh, the flames! Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, 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 what the fuck? Whoa! My mouth's gonna definitely cut out! I can't hold it! Oh my gosh! What? Why? What? Holy sh! What the heck? Ah! This is something else. Oh, I love it! What? Santa, please bring me one! For the love of, oh my gosh! Oh, I feel so good in the corner! But my foot keeps on hitting. What the heck? Oh my gosh! What the heck? They definitely hurt me. This is crazy! This is crazy! Oh my gosh. Where are you going? Where are you going, bro? Oh my gosh. Whoa. Bro, what? What? This is crazy. Why is this legal? This should be an only track bike. What? I'm not hyperventilating, but damn. Why is my rear sliding all over still? I get it, like the tires might need to be hot. Holy sugar! You have to be so touchy. Like this throttle. Oh my god! What the? What the fudge? What the f? I told you! Oh my gosh!
What the fuck?
Oh! Bro, you don't understand! I wheelied like all of the straights effortlessly. Like just straight up, bam! Like straight up second gear would just come up off the ground and I would just hold it and then switch to third. I don't need that bike. I don't even, if I buy one, it's gonna be for the track only. Hit me, I need insurance money. How hot are they?
Hot.
What, this
They're,
is flipping?
that's dog all the time.
Welcome to the 1000 world.
Bro, I was like in the corner and I would like add a little bit of gas and the whole rear end's like boom, and I'm like, ah. I love it, but that's dumb. What the fudge? They're like, all right, let's get a Bugatti engine and just put it in a bike.
Go feel it. That's touchy. That's touchy.
What? But that's power 4. That's no power.
You'll still feel it. You will still feel it.
That's not touchy. Blondie, what are you talking about? That's not touchy at all. This feels so much better. Is that no lift? Holy sugar. Sick. I want a cinnamon roll. ridiculous. This is absolutely absurd. I'm not buying one. I'm not. No. I know how I like to ride. The fact that I'm like, and then it does that. No, I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't. What? I'm in love with these bikes, but damn, dude, I need more skill or something. I need more skill. I need more self-control. That's what it comes down to. Ultimately, it's self-control. I'm gonna self-analyze who I am as right now, and I'm gonna say no. I don't need one. I'll wait a couple years. Plus, insurance is so dang high on these. It's like $5 grand. I'm sweating. I'm hot. I'm in love. Oh my gosh, it's like I snorted bang, but like through adrenaline. Yamaha, what were y'all thinking? Like, yo, we're just gonna dump a whole bunch of power into these bikes. I'm gonna guess I need like 2 to 3 years of maturing and self-control and more skill until I can buy one of these. I'm not. No, you didn't time me that time, because I went a lot faster. These tires are really hot. That's feeling good. You know the nice little like big dinosaurs that always just eat the leaves, right? That's B mode. And then D mode's like a T-Rex tearing apart your home. And then down, and then up, and then up, and then, oh my gosh. I love it. I'm gonna wait until I'm ready for it.